Hey everybody, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something involving batteries, but not batteries, okay? What I want to talk to you about is battery-powered tools. Growing up, I had, the corded Black & Decker drill, the corded Milwaukee drill, and I love them. However, there are times where it's just not feasible or as quick to run, having to run a cord out, extension cord to use these. It's quicker to go ahead and have a battery powered drill, battery powered chainsaw, battery powered blower, battery powered sander, battery powered heavy duty light. And there are more and more tools that are becoming battery powered. My daughter across the street, they got a battery powered lawnmower because they got a large area out there to mow and they don't want to be dragging cords out and running over the cords. So they went and got one of the battery powered lawnmowers. Now they also have battery powered snow blowers, which I was considering, but I got plugs all over the house out on the shop out there really close, so I figured, it's not worth the cost. But sometimes it is worth the cost, depending how far you got to be from the nearest plug and how much extension cord it's going to take. All right, so think about it. That's what this is all about. It's telling you to think about this, consider this for your preps. All right, so think about getting a good battery-powered set of tools for your preps. And there are a lot more tools besides just a drill. There are battery-powered angle grinders, battery-powered sanders, battery-powered reciprocating saws, battery-powered jigsaws, battery-powered circular saws. There's a lot of them out there, different things, and you want to get the ones that have, where they're all interchangeable from one to another. Same batteries. All right. Okay, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, where if you check out some of the how-to playlists, you'll see me using a bunch of my battery-powered tools. I'm also going to put the link up here to the Prepping for Beginners and the Prepping and Private playlists over here. All right, take care. See you around.